Escape Blowout is back.
When it comes to doing our taxes, everybody wants to get a big tax refund check in the mail.
There are some investments that allow you to get more money back on your taxes than others, but be careful you don't get involved in tax fraud. Pat Foran has what you need to know on Consumer Alert. Pat?
Well, Ken and Michelle, a Toronto law firm, is warning about a tax fraud case involving 300 people. They're calling it a classic business law scheme. Investors trying to get big refunds ended up losing their money and now have to pay huge fines to the tax department.
Here.
How are you?
Nice to see you again.
You too. Thank you.
Diane Hudson, a mother of 5, says she never thought she would need the services of a tax lawyer. Now she's one of 300 people caught up in a $3 million investment scheme. It started 4 years ago when a friend convinced her to invest in a company promising to do scientific research.
He came to the home and gave a whole presentation on the benefits and how the entire research worked and how it worked with your tax benefits.
She was told she would be investing with the firm Partners in Research. Their projects would lose money initially, but eventually become profitable. Because of business losses, there would be big refunds at tax time. So she borrowed $18,000 and invested with the company.
After Hudson made the investment, she got a tax refund check of $12,000, and she thought everything was fine. But it was the following year when the Canada Revenue Agency started asking questions.
The tax department wanted to know more about the business she had invested with. That's when the company refused to give her answers, and she found out her $18,000 investment was gone.
It's in the toilet. It has not grown. They did not do the investment as they had indicated they were going to do, and therefore we've lost all of our money.
Hudson has to repay the tax department about $20,000, but she's also facing additional penalties and interest of another $20,000. Tax lawyer Eldad Gerb says Hudson was an unsuspecting victim in the tax scheme and shouldn't have to pay penalties.
She's looking to repay that which she received and wasn't entitled to receive, and we're just looking to have the penalties dropped to what is fair and just.
Efforts by CTV to get in touch with Partners in Research were unsuccessful. Gerb says anytime an investment promises huge tax breaks, one should seek professional advice from multiple sources.
And another scam you should know about involves fake emails that appear to come from the tax department. They may say you have a refund or they need your personal information. It's a scam. The CRA does not request information from taxpayers using email. On your side, I'm Pat Foran.
If you have a consumer story idea, email us at alert@ctv.ca.
I just don't think March is starting out like people hoped.
Like a lamb?